Namaste, everyone. My name is Vallabha Tantri, and I'm here to welcome you all to this collective prayer session that we are jointly doing across North America. This is a Hindu Mandir Empowerment Council initiative where we provide platform for all the mandirs to be, collectively be together. So thank you for joining, as I said, and this is a collective prayer for all the victims, innocent victims of Pahalgam attack that happened April 22nd. It was a gut-wrenching, heart-wrenching attack on innocent Hindus, and we pray that the departed soul gets moksha, gets sadgati, and the perpetrators of this crime are brought to justice very swiftly. So, on that note, we'll start this collective prayer session. Before we start, I'll request Tejal ji, Vishwa Hindu Parishad of America's president, to share her thought with the community. Tejal ji.
Namaste everyone. Hari Om. For this collective prayer across America, we have at least 80 plus Hindu mandirs across America came together, and also 18 plus Hindu organizations have come together, which is a demonstration of the grief, demonstration of anguish as well, and demonstration of our unity together. Srimad Bhagavad Gita ji has taught us, Nainam chindanti sastranihi, Nainam dahati pavakaha, Na chainam fleyadayam toti, Na shoshayati marutaha. हम सब जानते हैं कि हमारी आत्मा नहीं जल सकती, नहीं पानी से बिक सकती, नहीं वायु उसे शोष कर सकता, पर फिर भी we all are human being, and as we are humans, we are attached with our emotions, we are attached with our sorrow, grief, joy, or any anguish we may feel and see during rare and difficult circumstances of our lives. So on this day, which is the 12th day of this incident that has happened in our Matrubhumi, Bharat, which has taken innocent lives very brutally and impacted the entire world, not just the Bharat. Every Hindu or every human who is compassionate would feel about it. And then we thought that only way to give the Shraddhanjali to these victims who has lost lives is to meet between 10th and 13th day, which holds the significance in Hindu lives, and that is why we all are here for. I thank all the 18 plus Hindu organizations to come together, all the mandirs who have come together to meet and pray for the victims of this terror attack happened in Pahalgam, Kashmir. Our deepest condolences for those who have lost lives. Our deep prayers for the families who need the strength and the patience in this very, very difficult time. And our strong prayer for the entire community to continue working to bring the peace and humanity in true sense on this earth, which our Dharma has taught us. We all are soldiers of our Dharma, and we will continue rising on this path. Thank you so much. Hari Om, Namah Shivaya, Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shri Krishna. Sat Shri Akal, Buddham Sharanam Gacchami, Namo Arihantanam. धन्यवाद.
Thank you, Tejalji, for that note to the community. As a Hindu leader, really appreciate your sentiments and your thoughts that you shared. Before we go forward, I'll request Murli ji to be on camera, and Tejalji, if you can also make me the co-host, that would be great. Murli ji, we don't see Rajendra ji here, so if you can lead, and then this will be the order of the chanting. So I think Hindu Society of Minnesota, Murli ji will start, and then Charlotte Temple, Hemant
Yes,
Amin ji, Balaji ji would go next, and then is there anybody from the Kentucky Temple? Murli ji, if you can lead us, yeah. And then we have Kardamuni ji and Kardama Muni ji, and then we have Danish Budram ji.
कल हुआ था जो वही
आज रियल है.
Murli ji.
I think they are chanting, but we are not able to hear.
We can't hear you, Murli ji. We can't hear you if you're chanting.
Start. Okay.
Yes. Now you can. Yeah. Now we can hear you.
ओम भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवा भद्रं पश्येम क्षभिर्जजतराः स्थिरैरङ्गैः सुष्ठुवागोषस्तनो भिर्व्यसेमाहिदे वहितं जदायुः शतमिन्नो शरदो अन्ति
New temple.
तरानश्चकरा जरसन्तनो नाम पुतरासो जतरा पितरो भवन्ति मानो मध्यारीरिखाता युर्गन्तो
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Dhanyavad. We'll now have Charlotte Temple.
आजा प्रचार.
हरे ओम
नेत्र शन्नो पर्यमा शन्न इंद्र बृहस्पतिः शन्नो विष्णुरुक्रमः नमो ब्रह्मणे नमस्ते वायो त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्म वदिष्यामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मास्तु तद्भक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु भक्तारम्. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शन्नो मित्र शम्बरुणः शन्नो भवत्वर्यमा शन्न इन्द्रो बृहस्पतिः शन्नो विष्णुरुक्रमः नमो ब्रह्मणे नमस्ते वायो त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मवादिशं ऋतमवादिशं सत्यमवादिशं तन्मामवादिशे तद्वक्तारमावीद आविर्मान् आवीद्वक्तारम् ॐ
हरि ओम
Namaste. Dhanyavad, the priest from the Charlotte Temple. I do see Rajendra Joshi ji in the panel. Rajendra Joshi ji, if you are ready.
नमस्ते यस
Namaste.
नमस्ते नमस्ते मेरे साथ और अभी दो पृष्ठ हैं, हम दोनों पुरोहित हैं।
जी, जी.
श्री गुरुसेव जी महाराज। ओके।
स्वस्ति न इंद्रो
ओम स्वस्ति न इंद्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु।
शांति शांति।
Dhanyavad, Rajendra Joshi ji. I will now request Abhishek Sharma ji.
फार्गो टेम्पल में
Fargo Temple from Fargo Temple. Dhanyavad, Abhishek ji, please go.
श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः ओम तच्छंयोरावृणीमहे गातुं यज्ञपतये दैवी स्वस्तिरस्तु नः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः ऊर्ध्वं जिगातु भेषजं शन्नो अस्तु द्विपदे संचतुष्पदे ओम शांति शांति शांति।
Dhanyavad, Abhishek ji from the Fargo Temple. Next, I request Kardamuni Das ji to chant the Shanti Mantra for us.
हरि ओम ओम असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम।
बुधाराम
Next, I request Danesh Budaram ji.
ओम हरि ओम ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः ओम सहनावतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहे तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहे ओम शांति शांति शांतिः।
Dhanyavad to all the priests. So, Murli ji, with your kind permission, can we move on to the Bhagavad Gita chanting?
वन मोर।
Yes, okay. Okay.
ओम पृथिवी शांता अग्निना शांता सामे शांता शुचगुं शमयतो अंतरिक्षगुं शांतं तद्वायुना शांतं तन्मे शांतगुं शुचगुं शमयतो यो शांता सादित्येन शांता सामे शांता शुचगुं शमयतो पृथिवी शान्तिरन्तरिक्षगुं शान्तिर्द्यौ शान्तिर्दिशः शान्तिरवान्तरदिशाः शान्तिरग्निः शान्तिर्वायुः शान्तिरादित्यः शान्तिश्चन्द्रमाः शान्तिर्नक्षत्राणि शान्तिरापः शान्तिरोषधयः शान्तिर्वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्गौः शान्तिरजा शान्तिरश्वः शान्तिर्पुरुषः शान्तिर्ब्रह्म शान्तिर्ब्राह्मणः शान्तिः शान्तिरेव शान्तिः शान्तिर्मे अस्तु शान्तिः तयाहगुं शान्त्या सर्वशान्त्या मह्यं द्विपदे चतुष्पदे च शान्तिं करोमि शान्तिर्मे अस्तु शान्तिः ये श्रेश्चक्रेश्च धृतिश्च तपो मेधा प्रतिष्ठा श्रद्धा सत्यं धर्मश्चैतानिमोत्तिष्ठन्तमनोत्तिष्ठन्तु मामागश्रेश्चक्रेश्च धृतिश्च तपो मेधा प्रतिष्ठा श्रद्धा सत्यं धर्मश्चैतानि मामाहाशिषुः उदायुषा स्वायुषो दोषदीनागुम्रसेनोत्पर्जन्यस्य शुष्मेणोदस्तामृतागुम्मनो तच्चक्षुर्देवहितं पुरस्ताच्चुक्रमुच्चरत् पश्येम शरदः शतं देवेम शरदः शतं नन्दाम शरदः शतं मोदाम शरदः शतं भवाम शरदः शतगुं शृणवाम शरदः शतं प्रब्रवाम शरदः शतमधीतास्याम शरदः शतं जोक्षसूर्यं दृशे य उदगान् महतोर्णवा विभ्राजमानः सरिरस्य मध्यात् समारुषभो लोहिताक्षः सूर्यो विपश्चिन्मनसा पुनातो ब्रह्मणश्चोदन्यसि ब्रह्मण आनेस्तो ब्रह्मण आवपनमसि दारिते पृथिवी ब्रह्मणा मही दारितमेनेन महदन्तरिक्षं दिवं दादार पृथिवी गुंसदेवायदहं वेद तदहं धारयामि मामद्वेदो दिविस्रसद मेधामनीषे मा विशतागुं समीते भूतस्य भव्यस्यावरुद्ध्यै सर्वमायुरयाणि सर्वमायुरयाणि आविर्गेर्भिर्यदतो नमो नमाप्याय हरिवो वर्धमानः यदा स्तोतृभ्यो मयि गोत्रार्गासि भूयिष्ठभाजो अदते स्याम ब्रह्म प्रावायुष्मदन्नो माहासीत ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति
Hindu Temple of Minnesota, Gautam Sharma, Gauri Shankar Gurkal, Arun Kumar, Dasharathi.
You, Balkrishna ji.
I thought first
Oh, okay. Thank you so much. Thank you to all the priests who have joined the online chanting sessions, Rajendra ji, Murli Bhatta ji, and of course all the dynamic priests of Hindu Society of Minnesota, and the Charlotte Temple, Fargo Temple, Abhishek ji, Fargo Temple, Kardamamuni Das ji, and the Danish Budram ji. So thank you so much for that divine chanting of Shanti Mantra that you have provided for the community today. Without further ado, I will now move on to the Bhagavad Gita chanting. And before we go to the Minnesota Chinmaya Mission chapter that is going to render Bhagavad Gita chapter 10, we'll be requesting Sanjay Mehta ji. I think he was here. Yes, he's here. To explain to us why we are going to chant chapter 10 for Bhagavad Gita today. Sanjay ji,
Yeah.
what is yours?
So, Namaste, Jai Shri Krishna. So we all know that the history that for thousands of years, the invaders, especially the Islamic invaders, came to Bharat because Bharat is glorious, was glorious, and will remain glorious. We should make sure that, right? But they came because they wanted to steal the glory. They wanted to destroy the glory, and they have been doing. Although we have been protecting again and again. So our ancestors, our history books, our scholars, our gurus, our rishis, they keep reminding us the glory so that we stand for it. And when time comes, we have to conquer, we have to fight, right? And this is the time, right? Many times it happened, but this is the time. We are with government of Bharat and we are standing with them because we want to preserve the glory. So that's why we picked up the 10th chapter. The 10th chapter title is the Vibhuti or the glory of. So it is not just Bhagwan is describing his glory in this. Bhagwan is describing the glory of Bharat. Krishna represents Bharat, each one of us, right? So he says when we go to 10th chapter, right? Arjuna asks, can you tell me your glories? I just want to know. I want to see. That's what when we go to Bharat or when we study books here, we watch movies. What are we doing? We are just enjoying the glory. And that's what Arjuna said, can you just tell me the glory? And then Bhagwan goes the entire 10th chapter, and he says, Nasti na antah vistarasya me. There is no end, and there is like my glory is unlimited, Arjun. Still, I'm going to tell you. And there are a number of shlokas, but I'll couple of highlights, right? Bhagavan says, Vedanam Sama Vedo Asmi. Just now we did the chanting. We do on our temples, our cultural program, Natya, Sangeet. That is all coming from Ved. Bhagavan says, Vedanam Sam Vedo Asmi. So Ved is our glory. All these cultural things are our glory. Senani Nam Aham Skanda Asmi. We do puja in Mandir. Bhagavan Skanda, Bhagavan Kartike. He is the chief of warrior. That is me. Sthavaranam Himalaya Asmi. The one which doesn't move, which stands for the glory. That is Himalaya is me, Arjun. Rama Shastra Pratamaham. The one who can hold the weapon for justice. That Ram is me. Because that's why we say Bhagavan Ram knows how to use the weapon. That's a glory. It's not using the weapon for destruction. Then Bhagavan says, Srotasam Janavi Asmi. The rivers, I am Ganga, Pavitra Ganga, right? Vrashninam Vasudeva Asmi. In Vrashninam, I am Vasudeva Krishna. Pandavanam Dhananjaya Asmi. You are the glory, Arjun. Everything is glory. We all belong to that glory. That's why I personally think we should chant Vibhuti Yoga and just read what the glory is. And then Bhagavan, the extension of 10th chapter is 11th, right? Bhagavan shows his universal form, the cosmic form, Vishwarup. Everything belongs to Bhagavan, everything. But Bhagavan made sure that Arjun doesn't forget his sadharma. So at the end of the 11th chapter, which is 10th, 11th go together, Bhagavan said, Mat karma krataha, mat paraha, mat bhaktaha, nirvaira sarva bhuteshu. Arjun, do duty for me. For me means dharma, the glory. Mat paraha, be committed to me. Mat bhaktaha, be devoted to me. But nirvaira sarva bhuteshu. There is no enmity. But Bhagavan doesn't forget the goal. And he says at the end, Tasmat uttishta kunte yasho labhasva. Jitva Shatran Bhuksharajyam Samraptam. Arjun, when the time comes, they are all destined to die. Don't worry about that. Justice will do what they want to survive or die. You don't worry. But Tasmat Uttishta Kaunte Yasho Lavasva. Get up, Arjun, regain the glory. Yasho Lavasva, regain the glory. How? Jitva Shatran, Adharmis, you have to conquer the Adharmis. Rajyam Samratam. Let the people, let the innocent people enjoy the Samriddhi. Samriddhi means, in modern term, it is democracy. So that's the reason we have picked up Vibhuti Yoga. Please go ahead today and read Vibhuti Yoga one more time. And it is not Bhagavan's glory, it is Bharat's glory. With that, I'll stop here and we'll continue chanting. Hari Om, Jai Shri Krishna.
Thank you for that wonderful explanation. Chinmaya Mission, Minnesota, the floor is yours.
Hari Om. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. अथ श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता दशमोऽध्यायः विभूतियोगः। श्रीभगवानुवाच भूय एव महाबाहो शृणु मे परमं वचः यत्तेऽहं प्रीयमाणाय वक्ष्यामि हितकाम्यया न मे विदुः सुरगणाः प्रभवं न महर्षयः अहमादिर्हि देवानां महर्षीणां च सर्वशः यो मामजमनादिं च वेत्ति लोकमहेश्वरम् असम्मूढसमर्थ्येषु सर्वपापैः प्रमुच्यते बुद्धिर्ज्ञानमसम्मोहः क्षमा सत्यं दमः शमः सुखं दुःखं भवो भावः भयं चाभयमेव च अहिंसा समता तुष्टिः तपोदानं यशो यशः भवन्ति भावा भूतानां मत्त एव पृथग्विता महर्षयः सप्त पूर्वे चत्वारो मनवस्तथा मद्भावा मानसा जाताः येषां लोक इमां प्रजाः एतां विभूतिं योगं च मम यो वेत्ति तत्त्वतः सोऽविकम्पेन योगेन युज्यते नात्र संशयः। अहं सर्वस्य प्रभवः मत्तः सर्वं प्रवर्तते इति मत्वा भजन्ते मां बुधा भावसमन्विताः।
मच्चित्ता मद्गतः प्राणाः बोधयन्तः परस्परं कथयन्तश्च मां नित्यं तुष्यन्ति च रमन्ति च तेषां सततयुक्तानां भजतां प्रीतिपूर्वकं ददामि बुद्धियोगं तं येन मामुपयान्ति ते तेषामेवानुकम्पार्थम् अहमज्ञानजं तमः नाशयाम्यात्मभावस्थः ज्ञानदीपेन भास्वता। अर्जुन उवाच परं ब्रह्म परं धाम पवित्रं परमं भवान् पुरुषं शाश्वतं दिव्यम् आदिदेवमजं विभुम् आहुस्त्वामृषयः सर्वे देवर्षिर्नारदस्तथा असितो देवलो व्यासः स्वयं चैव ब्रवीषि मे सर्वमेतद्धृतं मन्ये यन्मां वदसि केशव न हि ते भगवन् व्यक्तिं विदुर्देवा न दानवाः स्वयमेवात्मनात्मानं वेत्थत्वं पुरुषोत्तम भूतभावन भूतेश देवदेव जगत्पते वक्तुम् अर्हस्य शेषेण दिव्या ह्यात्मविभूतयः याभिर्विभूतिभिर्लोकान् इमां स्वं व्याप्य तिष्ठसि।
कथं विद्यामहं योगिन् त्वां सदा परिचिन्तयन् केषु केषु च भावेषु चिन्त्योऽसि भगवन्मया विस्तरेणात्मनो योगं विभूतिं च जनार्दन भूयः कथय तृप्तिर्हि शृण्वतो नास्ति मे मृतम्। श्रीभगवानुवाच हन्त ते कथयिष्यामि दिव्या ह्यात्मविभूतयः प्राधान्यतः कुरु श्रेष्ठ नास्त्यन्तो विस्तरस्य मे अहमात्मा गुडाकेश सर्वभूताशयस्थितः अहमादिश्च मध्यं च भूतानामन्त एव च आदित्यानामहं विष्णुः ज्योतिषां रविरंशुमान् मरीचिर्मरुतामस्मि नक्षत्राणामहं शशी वेदानां सामवेदोऽस्मि देवानामस्मि वासवः इन्द्रियाणां मनश्चास्मि भूतानामस्मि चेतना रुद्राणां शङ्करश्चास्मि वित्तेषो यक्षरक्षसां वसूनां पावकश्चास्मि मेरुः शिखरिणामहम् पुरोधसां च मुख्यं मां विद्धि पार्थ बृहस्पतिं सेनानीनामहं स्कन्दः सरसामस्मि सागरः
महर्षीणां भृगुरहं गिरामस्म्येकमक्षरम् यज्ञानां जपयज्ञोऽस्मि स्थावराणां हिमालयः अश्वत्थः सर्ववृक्षाणां देवर्षीणां च नारदः गन्धर्वाणां चित्ररथः सिद्धानां कपिलो मुनिः उच्चैश्रवसमश्वानां विद्धि माममृतोद्भवम् ऐरावतं गजेन्द्राणां नराणां च नराधिपम् आयुधानामहं वज्रं धेनूनामस्मि कामधुक् प्रजनश्चास्मि कन्दर्पः सर्पाणामस्मि वासुकिः अनन्तश्चास्मि नागानां वरुणो यादसामहम् पितॄणामर्यमा चास्मि यमः संयमतामहम् प्रह्लादश्चास्मि दैत्यानां कालः कालयतामहम् मृगाणां च मृगेन्द्रोऽहम् वैनतेयश्च पक्षिणां पवनः पवतामस्मि रामः शस्त्रभृतामहम् झषाणां मकरश्चास्मि स्रोतसामस्मि जाह्नवी सर्गाणामादिरन्तश्च मध्यं चैवाहमर्जुन अध्यात्मविद्या विद्यानां वादः प्रवदतामहम् अक्षराणामकारोऽस्मि द्वन्द्वः सामासिकस्य च अहमेवाक्षयः कालः धाताहं विश्वतो मुखः
मृत्युः सर्वहरश्चाहम् उद्भवश्च भविष्यताम् श्रीर्वाक्चवनारीणां स्मृतिर्मेधा धृतिः क्षमा बृहत्साम तथा साम्नां गायत्री छन्दसामहम् मासानां मार्गशीर्षोऽहम् ऋतूनां कुसुमाकरः द्यूतं छलयतामस्मि तेजस्तेजस्विनामहम् जयोऽस्मि व्यवसायोऽस्मि सत्त्वं सत्त्ववतामहम् वृष्णीनां वासुदेवोऽस्मि पाण्डवानां धनञ्जयः मुनीनामप्यहं व्यासः कवीनामुशना कविः दण्डो दमयतामस्मि नीतिरस्मि जिगीषताम् मौनं चैवास्मि गुह्यानां ज्ञानं ज्ञानवतामहम् यच्चापि सर्वभूतानां बीजं तदहमर्जुन न तदस्ति विना यत् स्यात् मया भूतं चराचरम् नान्तोऽस्ति मम दिव्यानां विभूतीनां परन्तप एष तुद्देशतः प्रोक्तः विभूतेर्विस्तरो मया यद्वद्विभूतिमत्सत्त्वं श्रीमदूर्जितमेव वा तत्तदेवावगच्छत्वं मम तेजोंश संभवम् अथवा बहुनैतेन किं ज्ञातेन तवार्जुन विष्टभ्याहमिदं कृत्स्नम् एकांशेन स्थितो जगत् ॐ तत्सत् इति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासूपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे विभूतियोगो नाम दशमोऽध्यायः।
Thank you for Chinmaya Mission Minnesota team, Abhayaji, Shailajaji, Janaki-ji, Shravanji and Anuradha-ji for this divine rendition of Bhagavad Gita chapter 10. Dhanyavad. I'll now request our HMPC, that is Hindu Mandir Priest Conference convener, Shri Lakshmi Bhamidi Patiji, to come on the screen and render a vote of thanks for this event.
Namaste. On behalf of Vishwa Hindu Parishat of America, it is my honor to present the vote of thanks on this very somber yet very important moment in our history. First of all, I'd like to thank all the priests from all the temples: Hindu Temple of Minnesota, Hindu Temple of Charlotte, Temple of Fargo, Hindu Temple of Fargo, Kentucky, Buddharamji. I'd like to thank all the priests from all the temples for chanting the Shanti mantras and wishing for the well-being of all the Hindus across the world. I'd like to thank Murli Bhattarji for his particularly for his leadership actually in bringing the whole program together and coordinating leading the chanting. And I'd also like to thank the Chinmaya Mission of Minnesota and all the members of Chinmaya Mission of Minnesota for chanting the Bhagavad Gita. Next, I'd like to thank Sri Sanjay Mehta ji for giving us the thought leadership as he has always provided us, and leading us with into the Bhagavad Gita prayer today, Bhagavad Gita chanting today. And finally, I'd like to thank Vallabhaji and Tejalji for their leadership and all the coordination by Chandraji and Surichiji for their coordination, the VHP leadership team. With that, I will turn it back over to Vallabhaji for her concluding comments.
I think with all the wonderful chanting and with the Bhagavad Gita chanting, there's not much left to say. Please keep the 26 victims in your prayers and their families in your prayers. And again, there are about 69 to 70 temples who have signed up for this collective prayers, and they're all conducting their individual prayer sessions in their communities and providing their congregation time and space to heal, to come together as a community. So with that concluding note, we will end this program with the final mantra of Purnamada Purnamidam. Tejalji, would you want to lead us with that, or with the last Purnamada
Sure,
chant?
will do. Harihi Om. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Harihi Om.
Yo shantirantariksha shanti pruthivi shanti rapa shanti roshadaya shanti vanaspataya shanti vishve deva shanti brahma shanti sarvagum shanti reva shanti sama. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Vande Mataram, Bharat Mata ki Jai. Hari Om.
Thank you. Dhanyavad, everybody. Thank you. Thank you so much.